In fact, just keep these things. There's no need cooking.
Is my lady dead?
Don't be ridiculous. Are you wishing her dead?
But Udo just said there's no need cooking.
Udo, what's the matter?
She gave birth to a stillborn.
Hey, because of our land. Why?
Anyway, she still needs to eat. At least something came out from her body, whether dead or alive.
Chai. Thank the gods, she have her life. At least she'll still give birth to another baby that will stay.
You know, the most painful thing is that the baby is a boy.
Chai.
It's a pity. But that is life for you. In life, you don't get what you expect.
Iji, can you at least put on a sorry face for once?
And who do I say sorry to? You? Oh, sorry, bro.
You say sorry. What is it? You have a big problem, a very big problem. God forbid. Come out of here. Go.
What is happening here? You have not said anything. Listen, my lady must be very hungry right now. Okay, hurry up, hurry. Hurry! Where's the other knife? Hurry now! I said hurry, you're just looking at me, hurry! My lady, please try and eat. Please, I beg you. I beg you.
I am not hungry. I'm not.
My lady, please, you have to try and eat something. You've not eaten since today, and your bowels are very empty. Because you just delivered a baby. Please, my lady, I beg you, eat something.
Ulo, don't remind me of that again.
I'm sorry, my lady.
Has she eaten?
No, my princess.
Where's her food?
Leave us. Thank you, my princess.
My lady, what are you trying to do to yourself? That you gave birth to a stillborn child is not reason enough for you to cry and starve yourself to death.
Why me? Why me, princess? Why me?
We cannot question the gods, Ngwedo. For they know what is best for us. You have to get up, eat something, take your bath, and put on a sweet smelling fragrance. Forget about yesterday and look up to tomorrow. Tomorrow is unpredictable. We do not know what it has in store for us. Please, eat.
My king, yes. She has to finish with the herbs I've given her already. And once she conceives again, I'll start administering new herbs to her, which will help to stabilize both her body and that of the unborn baby, to avoid giving back to stillborn again.
Well, whatever you need to do to prevent all those previous occurrences is what I'm after.
Igwe, don't worry, everything will be fine.
Good, but that's what I pray. My lady.
Greetings, my lord.
It's nice to see you up and about radiant again.
All thanks to my princess.
Thank you, my jewel.
I'm just doing my job, Father.
Right. So where are you up to?
We just want to take a walk. We'll soon be back.
Good. But make sure you don't go too far.
Father, I promise to bring your wife back to you in good health. We are
My king, it's good to see that my princess and my lady are But no.
Yeah, yes. You were saying something about the house.
My lady's house.
Yes. Good. All right.
Something troubles the eagle.
Nigeria, uneasy lies the head that wears a crown. And this crown is getting heavy by the minute.
Is there something I have missed out?
Do you ever miss anything in this kingdom? Her time is near.
You surprise me, my father. Instead of you to rejoice in anticipation of what is about to happen, you worry your head over nothing.
Old memories are hard to erase, my dear. And I am not getting any older.
My father, where lies your faith? The gods could just be testing you for this time.
Major, it is difficult for men to determine the minds of the gods.
You have been a faithful ruler of our land. The gods are not blind.
But the ways of God are not the ways of men.
We know the ways of the gods are not the ways of men, but it's their duty to guide us. And you know they are wise.
Major, I wish I could share from your optimism. But it's difficult.
Brighten up, my father, for I see silver linings in the sky. And you are the eagle that rules from the sky.
Thank you, my jewel. Thank you.
My lady. My lady. My lady, you're still awake.
I can't sleep. The baby won't let me.
It's a pity, my lady. But the baby is fine.
Yeah. Why are you still awake at this time of the night?
Well, I was sleeping, so I got up to ease myself and decided to come and check on you.
I'm just restless. I don't know how I'm feeling. The past refuses to go.
My lady, you worry too much. You worry too much.
Do you say I worry too much?
Yes, my lady.
How can you say that? Look at me. I'm heavy with my 5th pregnancy. And I have no child. Not even one to show for it. And you say I worry too much? How am I even sure that this one won't die before birth like the others?
My gods won't allow that happen, my lady. I have a feeling that this will be a different story.
I pray that the gods will have mercy and show me favor so that this one can stay, because I don't think I will pull through if anything should happen to this one. I don't think so.
My lady, you need to go to bed. Sleep, okay? You have to just try and sleep. Let me help you. Please. Please, I beg you. Well, my lady, I have to go back to my room and get some rest.
Okay.
My chiefs, I have heard scores of stories about the white man's ways and their strange behaviors, which is why I decided to deal with them myself. I have rejected any idea of white middleman.
Truth, Your Majesty.
That's okay.
It's good to deal with them straight. Because I heard that these white men, they buy everything from ivory to Escalating.
Who is this? Mba? Who is this strange looking fellow?
Your Majesty, We found him roaming about the palace. We demanded to know his true identity, but he appears to be dumb.
What is your name, young man, and where are you from?
Look at him. He looks like a lunatic.
He
could be pretending. How do we know if he has not gone to spy on Ambozo land? Yes. You sure?
Well, take him to the guard room. I will deal with his case later. Yes, sir. We have urgent matters. This world with its strange elements and strange activity.
Father, if you send the Prime Minister, will he know the ways of the white man? Because the middlemen from the coast know their ways and their language.
You know, my jewel, you're always one step ahead of us. But then, if we let the middlemen do this, will they better represent our interests?
We'll send someone with them, someone who will learn their ways and their language.
Your Majesty, our ladyship is in labor. She's in labor, Your Majesty.
Go back to her at once. I'll send for the midwives.
Okay, my princess.
Yes! Your Majesty, someone else in us. Immediately. Yes, Your Majesty. Take off this side. Get the nurses!
I wonder what is keeping Agbara and Ikenga.
Father, don't worry. They will soon be here.
I did not keep in too long.
In no time, they will be here.
Greetings, my king.
Yes.
My king, I went to Ikenga's house, and when I got there, I didn't meet anybody there. So I decided to go to the farm.
Yes.
As soon as I got to the farm, I met Ikenga's wife. She told me that Ikenga left for Obwendida for an urgent meeting, my king.
Obwendida?
Yes, my princess.
Which means he's not supposed to return until in 3 days' time.
I don't know, my king. I don't know.
But you may leave.
Thank you, my king.
We will soon smile.
Yes. He's becoming a little too difficult to breathe now.
Don't scare me, my father. You will be fine.
I don't intend to, my dear.
Talk to me. No, talk to me first. Not again. Oh, why?
Father, please help me, do something. Father, my father, no, please come. I don't know what is wrong with my lady. Please just come with me, please.
Oh, God. Oh, Father.
What is it? Why are you shouting? Come on. Why are you shouting?
I'm feeling something. What is happening in the palace? I'm feeling something. Here is hot. Something serious is about to happen, bros.
So, you can talk? Eh? So you can talk?
Come.
Hey! Wonder shall never end. So you can talk?
Talk to me. What is happening in the palace? Is there war or something? Just tell me.
Please, mister. The king is at the verge of death. The great medicine man Ikenga is out of the kingdom. As you can see, I don't have time to entertain question and answer.
Please, I beg you in the name of the gods. Tell me, what is wrong with the king? Just tell me, what is wrong with the king?
Why all these questions? Eh? Why all these questions? So, what if I tell you now? What will you do about the situation?
I can cure the king. I can cure him.
You? Or is there any other person inside the cell that will help you cure the king?
You just called me master now. I'm a master.
Who called you master?
Okay, let's do it this way, eh? Allow me out. Let me go and see about his
situation. If I did not cure the king, I swear to God, take me here, stab me, kill me, throw away me, vomit me, do anything, use me.
Listen to me. You say you can cure the king. You said you can cure the king, right? You can cure the king. Okay, you wait. I will be back.
Are you taking me back to the cell?
Ban me before I'm begging.
Are you not taking me back? Let me go.
I want to beg you go. I'm begging I want. Wait, just a minute, I'll be back.
Father, please stay with me, please. Don't go, please. Father, stay with me. Is there no one in this village that knows about herbs apart from Ikenga?
My princess.
Shut up and stop calling me. Do something.
Yes, my princess.
Oh, please stay. Please. My princess. The princess.
My princess.
Is Ikenga back?
No, my princess. But there is someone else who said he can cure the king.
The gods of my father. This is conspiracy.
No, my princess. It's the prisoner.
Which prisoner?
The one that was caught wandering.
He doesn't talk.
Yes, my princess. But he spoke to me in the cell.
Shut up. Go and get him fast. Now. Fast.
Yes, my princess.
Shut up and go.
Yes, my princess.
Will you do something? Shut up and go before I... Oh, goodness. Father. My father. What are you all doing there? Disappear! Father. Father, please stay with me, please.
Here he is, my princess.
Are you the one that said he can cure my father? I thought you said he spoke to you.
Yes, my princess. He spoke to me in the cell.
Whatever. Just tell him to get to work immediately. Tell him I also said he should not use my father for experiment. If he doesn't know what to do, he should back off while there's still time. Or I will feed him to the dogs.
Yes, my princess. Welcome. Get to work. Fast.
Please, you have to hold yourself. You have lost so much blood due to bleeding. And the nurse said you have to calm down so you won't bleed again.
Why did she stop it?
My lady.
He should have allowed me to bleed to death. That is what I deserve.
Oh, my lady, no.
I have failed in my duty and responsibility to my Lord.
My lady, you have not failed. You have life, and that is all that matters.
Where's my Lord now?
He's in his chamber.
At this time of the day?
My lady, when my Lord heard about the news of the delivery, he passed out.
I said it.
No, my lady.
I brought so much pain to this palace and I deserve to die.
No, my lady, you don't deserve to die. May the gods forbid that. My lady. Everyone in the palace knows that you conceive. And you carry your child till childbirth.
So why can't I carry my kids after childbirth? Why?
You will, my lady. You will, my lady.
When?
Very soon.
We must see the way. We must see him to know his state.
Yes, he's our king. And we are his cabinet chiefs. If anyone is supposed to be inside there, it should be us.
Well, I am sorry, my chiefs. The medicine man warned that he does not want crowd inside the chamber.
Are you calling us crowd? This boy is insulting us. So.
No, no, my chief, he's not insulting us.
But what?
Rather, it's instruction given to him. Yes, we must exercise patience. After all, the medicine man will not be there till eternity. So we wait.
My boy, who is the medicine man?
Iche, I don't know. I don't know his name. I don't know his village. Just wait a minute. He will soon be out, and then you will ask him yourself.
Please, let's wait. Huh? We must not leave here until we see the king. I know. But where is the princess?
Well, the princess is inside with the medicine.
My chiefs, let's wait. Let's wait, my chiefs.
He's not yet up.
Patience.
Where is my jewel?
I'm right here, my father. Take my hand. I was nearly demented with worry. For a moment, I thought I had lost you forever. Thank the gods you pulled through.
It's okay. I'm here now.
What was that?
Just allow him to rest. He will soon get up.
Okay, mister. Let's go back.
Go where?
To the cell, of course.
Are you out of your mind? Would you take him to the boys' room?
My princess, what if he escapes?
He won't escape.
But my princess...
Would you shut up and do as I have said?
Yes, my princess.
Udo, you're still awake?
Yes, my princess. I went to your room, but I couldn't find you. My princess, it's dark and lonely here.
It's just what I need.
My princess, you've had a very long day today. You should go to bed and rest. You must be very tired now.
Yes, I am. But I can't sleep. Even if I forced myself, I still would not be able to sleep.
You can, my princess.
How can I sleep when my father is lying there? What if he doesn't wake up? The gods forbid.
My king will sure arise.
What if he doesn't, Udo?
My princess, he will. Where is your fate?
I wish I could change destiny. I wish I could be a maid. Someone of lesser burden and responsibility. I wish I were a commoner. I wish I didn't have cares. I wish I was a child who didn't have anything to worry about, just to eat, sleep and play.
My princess, everything will be fine. The gods knows best, my princess. Please, you can go to bed now.
I have heard you. You may leave.
Mama! Mama!
Hey. Oh, Edo.
Oh, good morning. Please don't swallow me. Huh? It's still very early.
Edo, this one you
woke us up early this morning. Is everything alright?
You guys did not serve dinner last night, or did you?
Hey. Were you not in this palace? Didn't you see what happened in this palace yesterday? Who remembered food?
Listen, I am very, very hungry. Okay? You guys know that I don't play with my stomach. Eh? Makosa. Can I touch it now?
You should be ashamed of yourself. The king and the wife is sick. And you're here talking about food this early morning.
Look at this one. Why won't I talk about food? Eh? Why won't I talk about food? Am I a prisoner? Even the prisoner slept on a good bed last night. And you are here telling me I should not talk about food. Eh? Mary, will I swallow you?
Which prisoner slept on a good bed?
The one that revived the king? Or is there any other prisoner in this palace?
That's another opportunist. Sneaking in little by little.
Wait.
Please.
Who is an opportunist? Who?
Bia Ije, please. It's okay. We've had enough chaos in this palace already. I don't want you to stir up another problem. Please. Ede. Go. I'll get your food. Leave, Biko, Asirimoke.
Come. Mma or whatever you call yourself. I am giving you 5 minutes. 5 minutes. If after 5 minutes I do not see my food, I better me back home when you pay waso.
Go, I'm bringing food for you. Just leave. Go. Go now.
Your Highness, the eagle himself. It is good to see you back and strong.
We thank our God, so
may the God be praised. People are inside. And you came out. And me too. To be frank, I was not afraid. I was not shaking because I know you will surely come. I'm getting gas, so my freedom. My own brother and king.
Thank you.
The ego of our generation.
Thank you. I thank every one of you. I thank you very much for standing by me at that hard period. And I pray that our ancestors and the gods shall reward you immensely.
And you too, my king.
You too, my king.
Marketing. Your Highness.
Yes.
We understand you are just recovering. There is a matter that needs immediate attention.
What would that matter be, my chiefs?
It is about your condition. We, your cabinet chiefs, are not happy. We would like you to treat this with urgencies. Come.
my king, we suggest that you take another wife to give you an heir. Since your cabinet failed.
My chiefs, you were the ones who pressurized me into marrying this woman. Now you are suggesting that I'm not enough.
Yes.
I am sorry to disappoint you. Because I will not live with two women under the same roof.
No. Igwe, you have to see reasons with us. Your Highness, may the gods forbid you. Had it been that something happened to you the period you were sick, what do you think would be the fate of this kingdom? Think about it.
So, are you suggesting that I send her packing?
Yes, my king. There are times you do things you would rather not have done. That's why you're the king. Mbuze the second of Mbuze kingdom, for that matter. And the kingdom is more than you, my king. Yes. This is considerable. Yes. We only played it. My brother.
My chiefs. But the queen and I are just recovering. Huh? Now this is not fair.
We will give you time. We will give you time. Because this throne can never and must never be left empty. Else, this kingdom will go the way of a rather land.
God forbid. God forbid. God forbid.
Wow.
You are the dumb lunatic who saved me from death, are you not?
Your Majesty, my king, I did not save you from death. That's the business of the gods. I only applied herbs to revive you, Your Majesty.
You speak so well too. Yet, you acted dumb when you first arrived amidst us.
Your Majesty, it is in my tradition to act that way in a strange land. That way you determine the hearts of the people.
Strange. I mean, your tradition is strange. Yet, you are a man of unusual capabilities.
Your Majesty, capabilities are bestowed by the gods. I have traveled many lands. I've seen many traditions. But the gods are faithful. Your Majesty, you will realize what I'm saying when you see what I've seen.
Stranger, you are so young for all you claim to know. Who are you?
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Ah, rise, young lady. Is that ladyship okay?
Very well, Your Majesty.
Good.
It's just that the princess is a bit feverish.
Is it not a wonder that at these times of need, Ikenga is no longer with us?
Your Majesty, my king, permit me to attend to her.
Yes, go at once and report back to me.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty.
When did you start?
Only this morning.
My princess, how are you doing?
Cold inside and hot outside.
This kind of fever is caused by anxiety and restlessness, my princess. Set your spirits free, my princess. I shall go to the forest and get some herbs to rest your nerves. A sound sleep and you awake like a bouncing baby.
Thank you. That's very nice of you. What are you called, stranger?
Ada.
Where are you from?
A land far away. A full moon walk.
Does it have a name?
Omak land. A few days walk from the sea.
Have you seen white men?
Several. But I rather not see them.
Why?
Nobody likes them.
Why?
They are cannibals. They catch a man, put them in a boat across the sea, where they are being eaten.
That's horrible. Don't they have animals and fishes in their land?
They are strange breed, my princess.
So, why are you here?
It's a long story, my princess.
Start from somewhere.
I'm a wanderer. I wandered away from my home in search of what I don't even know. After a terrible war.
What caused the war?
Royal Tozo. The evil of men, catching men and selling them to cannibalistic white man.
You are indeed a strange man. Run along and get the herbs.
I'm at your service, my princess. I'm here to thank you for setting me free.
I am here to thank you for saving my father.
Thank you, my princess.
Mbuze, my brother, I chose to call you Mbuze, not as a mark of disrespect, but to remind you that we come from the same great-grandparents. I am close to you more than all these other chiefs in your cabinet. I want to tell you, my brother, that some of these your chiefs may even be happy
for your predicaments. They even wish you to remain like this, so that when you join your ancestors, their children, or even themselves, may start vying for the kingship of this kingdom. But this is not supposed to be so. Your father, after securing very large areas of land, the entire kingdom came together and crowned him the Mbuzewan of Mbuzo kingdom, and passed a rule, made a rule that his descendants will always rule this community. Just listen. Unless in a case where nobody shows interest from your descendants, then shall the kingdom, entire kingdom, select somebody to remain on the throne.
Ude.
Please let this not end in your era.
Ude.
We'll not be happy with you.
Ude. All this is common knowledge.
Oh, you know all this, my brother. And you want it to end in your era.
What do you want me to do? Have I not tried enough, Ude?
My king, your tryings are not enough. Please, try harder. Give us a hair.
Ude, my brother.
My king.
I have chosen not to marry 2 wives at a time. I will not do that. And it will be very unfair now for me to send her away. Oduroma.
Then, I will suggest to you, my brother, please, I mean, divorce your wife traditionally and marry another woman who will give us an heir to the throne. If we lose the kingship now, we might not get it again. We may not be able to regain it again. Please. And if it ends in your era, my brother, we will not be happy with you.
Uneasy lies the head that wears the crown.
Now, Joe, you're up already.
That Atta is a genius.
A strange one at that.
What makes you so uneasy?
The pressure on me is enough to uproot a palm tree. Send her away and marry an air breeder is the order of the day.
Father, someday we will find a solution to it.
What's on your mind?
Too many and nothing. It's all so confusing.
Confusion reigns in the affairs of men when the gods are silent or ill-disposed.
I feel so sorry for us because Ngwedo is my friend. I brought her here on the bowels of friendship.
Yes, my Joe. I understand. I do understand. Sending her away now in her condition will be unfair. But the continuity of the kingdom and my lineage beckons.
This is why I told you earlier that I am a failure. I'm a total failure. That's what I am.
Please don't talk like that, my lady. Please, I beg you. I wasn't going to keep this away from you. My lady, this news is everywhere, even outside the palace walls. My lady, You know we have been friends before you even got married to the king. I'm just telling you this for you to plan against tomorrow.
Tomorrow? There's no tomorrow for me. I have no tomorrow to plan for.
My lady, listen. You cannot determine bad market in the morning. You still have the afternoon and the evening. My lady, you're in the morning stage of your life. You still have the afternoon and evening stages of your life. My lady, you have to sit up and stop acting like one who has lost everything in life. After all, you have a royal blood flowing in your vein, my lady.
Yes, I know. This is my husband's house. This is where I should call my own. But what have I got? What have I got? I've lost it all. I'm in total failure. I'm a loser. I told you I'm a total failure.
You have to stop, my lady. You have to stop, please, okay? You have to stop. You can't be like this. You have to stop crying and brace yourself up and act like one that has faith.
My lady, my princess demands your presence.
Well, tell her that. She will join her soon.
Please, my lady. I think it's sent for me. Please sit.
You look very gloomy. I hope all is well.
I'm good, my princess.
There is no need beating about the bush. I'm sure you must have gotten wind of the news about the cabinet chiefs and their resolution about your stay in this palace. I want to assure you that you're not alone. I let you into this, and I will not leave you in the middle of the deep blue sea. All I need from you right now is your cooperation. I understand how you feel. That is why I have consulted trusted chiefs and elders of our land to see how we can resolve this issue so as to save our faces and the throne of our land. All I need is your cooperation so that we can rule this palace to a safe land.
My princess, what do you want me to do?
It may sound absurd, but trust me, I think it's the right thing to do.
My princess, what do you want me to do?
Her ladyship is surely in grief. May I ask, what grieves her ladyship? May I ask, what brings tears to the eyes of her ladyship?
Life is cruel. Living in this palace as
Queen, you ought to look ahead in faith towards tomorrow. Today will surely come to pass at sundown, no matter its torture.
But what have I done? What have I done to deserve this? Now they want me to do the impossible, the absurd.
My lady, you have to be strong. Please, you really have to stay strong. I mean, it is clear why the princess told you this thing in secret.
No. No. I won't do it. I will not do it. I won't.
Calm down, my lady. Please calm down. The pitch darkness of the night can never stop the morning from coming.
They are captives of tradition. But I, Princess Ngwedo, will not do what they ask. I will not.
My queen. My queen, we are slaves too.
I am not a slave to anything.
I will not be a slave to a tradition that is ridiculous and inhuman. I will not. No.
My queen, is it that bad?
Yes, it is bad and ugly.
Their tradition. Their tradition.
My tradition, my lady.
Your stupid tradition only allows your king to marry women from the same womb. How can?
Listen, my queen, you really have to calm down. Please, you just have to calm down. I beg of you. Please, you have to do this. Please calm down.
Get out. Get out!
I will not succumb. And I will not run away. But I will fight. I will fight.
If I am I got my baggy Rapwa fufu ama why am belede why isike iembu abo odendo.
Her ladyship is surely in grief. May I ask, what grieves her ladyship? May I ask, what brings tears to the eyes of her ladyship?
Life is cruel. Living in this palace as
Queen, you ought to look ahead in faith towards tomorrow. Today will surely come to pass at sundown, no matter its torture.
But what have I done? What have I done to deserve this? Now they want me to do the impossible, the absurd.
My lady, you have to be strong. Please, you really have to stay strong. It is clear why the princess told you this thing in secret.
No. No. I won't do it. I will not do it. I won't.
Calm down, my lady. Please calm down. The pitch darkness of the night can never stop the morning from coming.
They are captives of tradition. But I, Princess Ngwedo, will not do what they ask. I will not.
My queen, my queen, we are slaves too.
I am not a slave to anything.
I will not be a slave to a tradition that is ridiculous and inhuman. I will not. No.
My queen, is it that bad?
Yes, it is bad and ugly.
Their tradition. Their tradition.
My tradition, my lady.
Your stupid tradition only allows your king to marry women from the same womb. How can?
Listen, my queen, you really have to calm down. Please, you just have to calm down. I beg of you. Please, you have to do this. Please calm down.
Get out. Get out!
I will not succumb. then I will not run away. But I will fight. I will fight.
My lady, if I may wish to say, the battles is for the gods. Get out. Get out!
What if you just the same?
I spoke with her last night, but she's yet to get back to me.
Well, give her time. It's not an easy decision to make, you know.
I know. I pray she agrees to what we talked about. I just don't want my lady to be sent away from this palace. She has tried for us.
I quite agree with you. I do. But I am not getting any younger. And age consumes me by the day.
Father, you're still as young and as strong as the eagle.
I just wish Ulama was not born the way he is. We wouldn't have gone through all this.
Father, the gods know best.
Our presence was sent for me.
Yes, I did. I don't know how I'm feeling right now.
How do you feel?
I have pains all over my body. My legs are too heavy for me to walk and my back aches.
Are you feeling feverish or do you have headache?
I'm not feeling feverish, neither do I have a headache. I just don't know how I feel. What do I take?
You don't need any herbs. I'm afraid it's fatigue.
So, I'm just going to stay like this, remain like this all day.
What you need is a massage. And I can't massage you. Please, my presence, can you ask one of your maids to?
Why can't you massage me?
I thought you wouldn't want me to.
Go on, do it.
What?
Do it, it's an order. What?
You have to remove your clothes and tie a wrapper so that I can massage you well.
Alright, turn around.
No, let me leave.
Turn around.
Do you have an oil?
On the table.
My princess.
Leave us.
Where's my princess?
It's been a week since I spoke to you in my chambers. And I told you to revert back to me, and you haven't done that. I sent Udo to you repeatedly, but you kept telling her you were going to get back to me, which you haven't.
I'm not feeling fine.
That was what you said, and I sent Atta to you. And he told me 3 days ago that you're feeling much better.
Well, he told you I'm fine, but I own my body. So I should be the one to tell if I'm okay or not.
How many minutes will it take for you to come to my chambers?
Since I couldn't come, you should have come.
I can't believe this.
Well, you had better believe it, princess. Because in as much as you are the king's daughter, I am his wife.
What do you think about what I told you?
I'm still working on it.
You're still working on it?
Yeah, I'm taking my time.
We don't have time.
You don't get to tell me that because I have to take my time. You've told me what you want. Watch me do my thing. How and when I do it, it's none of your business.
Are you sure you're all right?
Yes, I'm fine.
Agama korone ifana munafo agama bagebe rapwa fufu wama uwaiye mbelede uwaiye sike iyembubu abo odindu omukama uwo banyanjaka omukarama arere
no, that is not the Ngwedo that I know. No.
A woman that has lost 5 babies can easily get irritated and snipe at any little thing.
Udo, you do not understand. You needed to have seen and heard the way she spoke to me.
I believe she still needs more time. Just give her a little time.
Something is wrong.
My princess, he is here with me.
Thank you. You can go to sleep.
You sent for me, my princess.
Yes, Atta. Sit. I can't sleep. And I don't know what the problem is.
Burden with me.
Family matters.
If you insist. But in case you have so many questions in your life and you need answers to, I know of a man who delivers into the future. He can help you with answers to so many questions in your life.
Who is this man?
I met him during my transit. Actually, he was the one who showed me so many herbs and their uses. He taught me a lot.
Why did you leave him?
I did not leave this man. He asked me to leave, that my destiny does not lie with him in that bush.
Where did he say your destiny lies?
I'm so sorry, my presence. It's private and personal.
Where does he stay?
In a boundary between Obendida and Amuike.
What? Obendida? That's a 2-day journey from here.
Yes, my presence.
Okay. I will think about it, but I need you to massage me so I can relax.
At your service, my presence.
But seriously, my prince, my father always said that the tortoise is a very cunning and tricky animal.
And
You know, my father used to say that the tortoise knew he had no name and he wanted to maneuver the other animals. So he had to think up one name and he gave himself Ini meaning all of us. So he could monopolize whatever came for other animals. And he never knew that the other animals were planning seriously for him to deal with him, especially the birds. So they came to one very big feast they were all attending, and the tortoise came there and they dealt and dealt and dealt with him.
My prince, I am sorry to interrupt you. The queen sent for Olo.
Get that! Get that! Get the queen that she is the only prince of both kingdom. Prince. Get that!
May you live long, my prince.
Get that!
My prince, please. Can I go and see her to know why she seeks my attention? I'll come back to you immediately. I beg you, my prince, please. Wokoma. The finest, the most handsome prince in this land. The finest prince in this land. Please, I beg you, my prince, let me go, please. I beg you.
Okay. I will for you.
Thank you, my prince.
I'll
be back. Just remember the tortoise.
I will for you.
No. Ije, what is it? It's the nightmare again. What was it this time?
Ije, please. Not again. This your nightmare is becoming too much.
It was the king. He died in my dream. Ije, I told you to meet Tata before he traveled with the elders to give you some herbs for this your fever. It's getting out of hand though.
I prayed fever. This is the third time I'm having this nightmare. It's fever. You need some herbs urgently before it gets into your brain. Or maybe it's high blood pressure.
You have fever, that's just your problem. Let's go back. Let's get back to sleep, please.
Odo told me that they traveled, but she did not tell me where they traveled to.
She lied.
Yes, I suspected that. Who knows where they went to at this time?
I suspect foul play. I think it has something to do with me.
My lady, you have to calm down.
No, seriously.
You have to calm down, please.
Already. My lady. How come I'm not distracting anything?
Yes. You just interrupted my conversation.
Okay, with your maid. And what could it be you're discussing with? With your maid in just thought a lot to me.
It is none of your business.
Okay. I thought she was free. I wanted to borrow her.
My prince, I'm busy right now, but I'll join you when I'm done.
Okay. I'm looking for you in my room. Oh, my lady. For the direction. I'm right there. My room.
what won't I see in this palace?
Let's go with
Final, my elders, we are here. Yes. I to the grace. I to the man that seeth in the dark. At the mention of Atu, Obagunogodumbume, at the mention of Atu, on why I need it. Makano katakata keuna anu, or anu poto.
Ichi Ofia, Okano, you are welcome.
He knows our names. He knows the name of everyone, both your unborn children.
Your king has so many questions in his mind, and he needs answers to all of them, like still sicknesses in the palace and many other things happening in Buzu Kingdom he cannot explain. He is afraid that he may die one day and a stranger will come and take over the throne of his father.
This is why he sent us.
I know. I wonder about us saying here. Give me some minutes.
Atu himself, the great Atu himself. You have all the time. I can quite like any also. I did. Atu himself. I did.
My king,
Good God.
it was a long time ago when your father was trying to make sure he retained his greatness. He bought a slave, a grown young man. And that man was buried alive, exactly where you are seated.
Unbelievable. What a tragedy. God forbid bad things.
That young man cried until he was covered to the mother earth.
Oh, my brother. Great Arthur, now that we know this, what is the solution?
Atu buru mmadụ bụ agụ, atụ kerizi ihe ga-egbudo echi. Your Majesty, rituals. Sacrifices will be made to cleanse the kingdom.
Sacrifices, it is then.
Greetings, my king.
How is she?
She has been sleeping since morning due to the herbs that I gave to her.
My jewel.
Father, speak to me. What is wrong?
Nothing.
Nothing? Then why are you like this?
I don't know, I'm just tired.
You're tired? What did you do?
I'll be fine.
Yes. By the gods, you shall be fine. You shall be fine.
Come in. The door is open.
I'm so sorry, my lady. I didn't know you were naked. Let me go and come back later.
It's okay. I'm not naked. I'm tying a wrapper. Besides, I asked you in.
You stand for me, my lady.
Yes, I did. I heard you're good with body massage. I feel pain all over my body. I want you to massage my body.
I will massage you, my lady.
Good. So?
Lie down on your belly. Sorry, my lady, do you have oil here?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, my
Come on.
I should come up.
Yes, come on. I feel pains all over here.
Am I dirty, my lady? Your waist.
My lord, if not for Ulo, my chief maid, who rushed to my chambers when she did. Hey, this pig, this animal would have raped me, your wife,
Father,
the queen.
Father, I don't believe this.
Princess, are you saying I'm lying? Ah, princess. Yes, Ulo.
My lord, ask Ulo. She was there. Ask her if I'm lying or telling the truth.
But Joel, if Ulo is a witness to this, they cannot both be lying. I mean, I understand that this stranger here has saved several lives, including mine, I must say. But it doesn't mean he will not get punished for committing such an evil act. Attempting to rape a woman, my wife, my queen.
Atta, say something.
My princess, what else do you want me to say? If I say I did it, the king will punish me. And if I say I didn't do it, the king will still punish me. So let the king decide on what to do.
Father.
Don't father me, Abiri. Do not father me.
Guards! Your Majesty.
Come on, take this thing out of my palace.
He's an animal.
Atta, did you do it?
I swear.
So the cough and vomiting still persist?
I'll be fine. Please just check on my father for me, please.
What do we call this? Let me see the king. I'll be back soon. Igwe se obukwa. Igwe se obukwa. Yes, unamnade igwe belebe. My king will be well.
Thank you, Kanga. Thank you. How is my princess?
She's getting better. She wants you to get well as soon as possible.
Just
sorry.
Let's make sure she's okay.
She's fine. You are our only concern for now. I'll go to the bush and collect more herbs for the pains and the high fever. My king, you should think less for now.
I'm trying.
Chivude? No.
My brother and my king. What is it again? Anyway, whatever happens, the gods will pull it through.
It's
Mbuze the second of Ulo's kingdom. Anyway, you are my king.
Yes, sir.
King, how's it
going?
Young man. Ata. Melile if I be not of good faith. How's your food?
Forget about the food. How is my princess doing?
Well, she's doing fine just like the king.
Allow me to give them herbs. Let me give this herb to them.
Herbs? Well, you can give me the herbs, let me go and give to them.
I have to go to the bush and get the herbs.
Well, that is where the problem lies. I cannot allow you out of this place without the king's permission.
I pray nothing happen to my princess.
That is everyone's prayer.
Ada?
Ada?
Please, I beg you of one thing. Allow me go to the bush and get the herbs. I will give it to you to give to them. I swear to the gods, I will not even disclose it to any being.
Well, I cannot do that. I mean, what if you don't return? Eh? One.
Oh, Ede, so you cannot even predict what I, Ada, can do.
Look at you. Me, Ede, a Karikade can predict you after you attempted to rape my lady.
Oh,
see,
God.
I will never predict anybody. I will never predict anybody.
Oh, so you also believe I did it?
Ata, so why would my lady lie against you? Tell me.
Soon, very soon, you will understand, my boy. I pray nothing happens to my princess and my king.
nothing will happen to them. Okay? Mulanya. Mulanya.
Hey! Greetings, my lady.
The king I greet.
Thank you. How is my king and the princess?
Oh, they are doing very well this morning. In fact, the both of them are in the king's chambers catching up.
Oh, thanks to the gods of our land, which means my herbs really worked.
Yeah, seriously worked.
Can I see them?
Not now. You can't. Maybe you have to go and come back in the evening.
But I have some herbs for them.
No, it's okay. I can give them to me. Tell me what to do and I'll ask my to prepare.
This is for the princess. It's for pains and relief and fever. And okay, this is for the king. Okay. Don't mix them up.
Okay, so what should I do? Cook or mash?
You have to cook each with 1 cup of water. This one 1 cup of water. This one 1 cup of water. Okay. Don't mix them up.
No, I won't.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
The gods of our land bless you. Thank you.
No.
Kinga, thank you.
My princess.
What's that?
It's your help, my princess.
Where's Udo?
My lady sent her to the market to get something for her.
Why didn't she send you?
Well, I was preparing your herbs and the king's herb.
Where's the king?
He dropped the herb in a hurry and said he had an urgent call to attend to.
Urgent call? What's more urgent than the king's life? Who did he drop the herb with?
My lady, my princess.
Where is she?
She's in our room. My princess, he said you should drink the herbs while it is warm, so it can work perfectly. Okay, my princess. My princess, is there anything else you want me to do for you?
No.
Okay, my princess, I'm sorry. My lady, this is the king's herbs. You may take it to him.
Hope you prepared it the way I asked.
Yes, my lady.
Okay. Good. Oh, come back. Go and check if the king is up.
Okay, my lady. Is the king up yet?
Yes, my lady.
Good. Take the herbs to him.
But my lady, I thought you were the one to serve him the herbs.
Yes. Take it to him. Tell him I'm not feeling fine. Go on.
Okay, my lady.
Agama korone ifana munafo agama bagebe rapwa fufu wama uwai emberede uwai sike iyembu buabo odindu omukama uwo banyajoka
Greetings, my king. I brought you your herbs.
Where is the king?
Well, according to my lady, he said he was rushing off somewhere, so he dropped the herbs with her.
Why did she bring it? Why you?
Well, she's not feeling too well, my king. So she asked me to bring it to you.
Drop it here.
Okay, my king.
My forefathers! What happened?
I don't know. Olo just brought him some herbs which he took and he started coughing.
Will you get up for me fast?
Yes, my princess.
Hurry up! Don't worry, nothing happened to me.
I didn't do it.
Yes. I beg you, please. I'm innocent.
I wonder what is it. Can't you have moment of peace in this palace without Ulo committing one crime or the other?
But you don't know if Ulo must have committed a crime.
What else would think someone inside the cell if not a crime? This world is out to me.
I didn't do that. Thank you. I beg you, please. I didn't do that.
Atam, the princess demands your presence now!
Keep quiet before I'm there, Wagisi. When you get there, you will know.
I mean, I'm anxious and scared. No one knows what will happen next. That girl is just a man.
Something disastrous.
Hey, PJ, that girl is just a man. Who knows? She might be cursed or something.
PJ, watch your tongue.
Move! Get out! Let's go, let's go!
I didn't do nothing. I am so experienced. Because I'm innocent. I didn't do that. Thank you, please. My hands are clean. My hands are clean. I didn't do it. Please, I beg you, please.
Move!
he does not escape.
He will be fine. He was poisoned, but thank the gods we were able to do something on time.
Thank you very much.
The anti-poison will help him neutralize all the poison in his bloodstream. And the herb will help him stop further circulation, and it will help excrete the poison through sweat, urination, and vomiting. Though it will take some days for him to be fine, but I assure you one thing, he will be fine.
Thank you very much.
What actually happened?
I am asking the same question. I don't know why Ulo would want to poison my father.
I assure you, he will pull through.
Thank you once again. I don't know how I'm going to pay you back for saving my father's life.
Thank the gods. I shall return to the cell.
No. You're going to stay here and monitor the king. I can't risk my father's life again.
I'm not sure the king will be happy if he comes by and hear that you set his prisoner free.
For now, my order stands.
Here's my presence.
Ati mo ko chala go no yen na lo kai di maram abia mi pa abia mu so wo buna oh wa ba ja atu kan di do wa ni ru ka ja na mo ona me nwa ka lo ti lu lo to na fo wa ba ja nu ka di do wa na atu ka ja na mo wa ba ja ona nwa ka lo ti lu le me ja ni lu ta na fo.
It's me.
You settled me, my lady.
I'm sorry.
Why are you here all alone? What of my king? Is he okay?
He's the reason why I'm here. He was poisoned.
Hey! Abarinodi! When? How? And by who?
This morning, by my chief mate, Ulo.
But why? Let me bring her, auntie. Hey. Let us go to the palace. I'll give him anti-poison. Or is he dead?
Ikenga, it's okay. Ata has taken care of him.
So how is he doing?
He's fine.
Well, you shouldn't be here. You should be in the palace looking after him.
Ikenga alone. I need your help, that's why I'm here.
I don't understand, my lady. What is it?
Ikenga. Ulo, my chief mate, will implicate us in this. She will connect us to this if we don't do something fast.
I don't understand you.
Ikenga. You gave me the herbs that I gave to her that she prepared and gave to the king. That all this is happening. Don't you see the link?
Did I poison the herbs?
Or more? Are you saying I did?
I didn't say so, my lady. But a clear conscience fears no accusation. We can swear before the whole village, anytime, anywhere. I am ready and prepared, except if you are not.
Ikenga, you talk like a child. Why don't you see reasons with me? Do you know the humiliation, the disgrace you will face for swearing before the entire village?
Humiliation? Finally, I will be vindicated. But I'm sorry to say, ask this question, my lady. Did you in any way do anything that you don't want people to know?
Ikenga, I'll give you a piece of land. I'll give you money. I'll give you anything to make you comfortable.
I say Obukwa. Say Obukwa. Say Obukwa.
Ikenga, I'll make you comfortable. Ikenga, don't walk out on me.
I owe allegiance to the king and the whole kingdom.
Ikenga, I'll rope you in. I'll connect you to this crime if you walk out on me and you don't do as I say.
Do it! Yamabuna, only Chunkwata Adejogo and a company.
I said it. And you girls thought I was jealous of her. That I hated her. That girl, she is a murderer. She's a bad luck. Okay? She is an opportunist. I mean, Ulo.
I still don't believe that Ulo did it. Something is definitely wrong somewhere. And I can feel it.
I'm not swearing for anybody. I can't swear for her because anything can happen.
Ulo is a good girl. She is. Oh, why all these problems? I know it.
Elders, I don't understand this. I don't understand this whole story at all.
But why would Ulo poison the king? Once a killer, always a killer.
That girl, she's a witch. We have to deal with her once and for all. Else, she bewitches our children.
I'm trying to get something out here. If really Ulo poisoned the king, then there must be someone behind her. I mean, someone she's working for. Who could that be? I think that girl must be possessed by an evil spirit.
My chiefs, let us not rush into conclusion yet. She's still in the prison. Let us just pray that the gods will spare the king of this attack. The moment the king is well, we shall all sit down here and decide her fate.
I think you are right. Let's pray that the king recovers fast.
Nothing will happen. He will pull through. He has seen tough days.
I see.
Are you sure she didn't go out?
I've been working on this message. I don't know. I've not gotten a response. Maybe something is wrong with my lady.
What could be wrong?
No idea.
Maybe she went out.
What if she took those herbs too?
What herbs? Open this door.
Maybe we can't open this door except to break into this.
Break it down. Open the door. My lady. Get at her fast. Now!
This one.
My lady. My lady. My lady.
The eagle. The lion himself. Oh, praise the gods for sparing your life. Thank you.
Now that you are the Mbuzetu of Mbuzo Kingdom, the eagle of our generation, you're welcome back to life. I'm so happy for you, my king. Now that you are completely healed, what will be the punishment for the maiden that wanted to take your life?
My dears, first of all, let me thank you all for your support. Thank you for being there during the trial times. I thank you. I have taken a deep look into the case of this maiden. And I can see that it is all complicated. Quite complicated because of the Kenga's death. Now, we have no way of knowing the original source of this poison. The girl is pleading innocence, and we must tread carefully. Carefully so that we don't make a mistake that we'll regret in the future.
I'm sorry to cut you short, my king. But the truth is, there is no time that he or she will not claim to be a first timer.
Exactly.
And we all know the history and record of the girl in question in this kingdom. Huh? I suggest we act fast. We should be very fast to avoid allowing that bad egg to spoil the remaining good eggs we have in the kingdom.
You are right, Ishi. You are absolutely right. I think I saw a point in that what they paid. What if the girl is innocent of this crime?
This was how we delayed the other time. When the same girl was spared of big crimes she committed. Now the same thing would have happened again.
Why must she be fingered? Huh? Why must she be in the picture in the first place?
I wonder.
Is she the only maiden in the palace?
Eh?
My chiefs, I thank you. I have concluded that this maiden is someone to come to the presence of the great oracle of Dikeh and swear to her innocence. I need not remind you, chiefs, that whosoever swear falsely in the presence of Dikeh, that will happen to him or her.
Oh, I like this. Yes, I like this.
Yes, what is it?
My king, my baby is here to see you.
Are you blind? Can't you see I'm in the middle of a deliberation?
My king, please, it's urgent that he really needs to see you. That has to do with Ulo's case.
Ulo's? Well, then bring him in there.
Here it is, my king.
You may leave us, God.
Yes, my king.
I greet you, my king and my chiefs.
We greet you too.
You're welcome.
Yes, Maziobi, you demanded to come before me.
Yes, my king. But first of all, let me congratulate you on your fast recovery. May the gods be praised. I came in respect of Ulo. I am her father's only brother. I am here on behalf of the family. We sat and agreed to pay you a visit, my king, to tell you that we have ostracized Ulo from our family due to the acts and the causes associated with her crimes. To begin with, my king, her father, being my brother, died the moment she was born. And her mother died because of her too. Now she wanted to kill our king after killing an innocent young man. Your Majesty, sorry to say this. We want you to know that we are strongly behind you on any action or judgment you pass on her. It is a pity, but let he that kills by the sword die by the sword.
Maziobi, I greet you. And I thank you for appearing before me. My chiefs and I, we have also reached the conclusion, after taking a deep look into the case, and we have concluded that the girl in question will be summoned to come to the presence of our great oracle of Dikeh to swear to our innocence. After that, we shall know what to do. You are welcome. We may leave us. Thank you for coming.
Otaka! Nnukwu alụsị, ọka alụsị, ugbu onye mbọsị ndụ na-agwụ ya. Ana m ajụ, ị ga-elisigodo enwe wee kwa aka ka ga-akwa aka weligwe. Otaka. Look at abominable things happening in this community, and you are there. Otaka. We always call you in the night, and you answer us. Now, Otaka, go ahead and see about this abominable thing that has happened. Now, take this maize. Take it. Plead your cause with Otaka by striking it 3 times. If you are guilty, Otaka will strike you dead immediately. If you are not guilty, Otaka will spare your life. Do it.
Greetings, everyone.
Thank you.
Greetings, my elders. Greetings, my chiefs. I am here to plead not guilty to the allegation that I poisoned the king. If I am guilty, may Otaka strike me dead. But if I'm innocent, may Otaka not spare the culprits.
She is not guilty. Look at her. Look at her. She is the one guilty. She is the one.
So it was you all the while.
It's your fault. You busted
me.
You. How can you tell me to bring my younger sister for your father to sleep with me? I could not watch the king take another wife and dethrone me as a queen, so I had to do something.
So you had to resort into taking my life.
I killed the king. I lied against Atta. So because he will not sleep with me.
Help you? No. You will burn in hell. Don't touch this.
Come back.
Once again, you have proven your loyalty to me. I want to apologize for all the allegations, the humiliation and all the harassment you faced during the entire period. On behalf of my family, I say sorry. Please do not take it to heart. We're really, really sorry.
My princess, you don't need to apologize. All you did is what you should have done in such situation. My princess, I bear no grudges with anyone. I am just grateful to the gods that I've been vindicated once more. It's nothing, my princess.
All right, if you say so.
My princess. Oh, my princess. Are you alright?
Yes, yeah, I'm fine. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, okay. It's just a bit easier.
My princess, please just sit down, please. I beg you, please. My princess, are you alright?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes.
My princess, I honestly think that you're with child.
Who told you that? Finished.
No, my princess, you are not finished. My princess, it's a good thing. My princess, are you?
Mbuzetu of Mbuzu Kingdom, the eagle. Sacrifice it before the shrine of Obosusu. Biarambia ade buisi ajane.
Okojime.
It's our loyalty.
Okome.
Busetu is settled and over. All will be well again. The gods will visit you with many blessings, including male and female children. Your son, Olama, the heir to your throne, will be well in no time.
My father, my king, I greet you. My son, the prince and heir to the throne of my kingdom, I greet you.
Actually, father, there's something I wanted to tell you. And since the princess is here, I think that makes it better and easier.
I could excuse both of you.
No. Your presence is highly needed.
Well, speak then, son. I am listening.
Father, I have a pressing need.
Just mention it. and it is settled for life. What is it?
Father, I want to get married. I need a wife.
Ah. Good, good. Shake my hand, son. Yes. Good. Now tell me. For I can make arrangements. I can arrange to meet any princess from any kingdom, be it for the west, south, east, or north of this kingdom.
Father, she's not a royal blood.
Oh. A daughter of a peasant. Well, who is she?
She's not far-fetched. She's within these walls. Father, I'm in love with Olo.
What? Oh, you made the right decision.
Well, well, well. Well, you have my blessing.
Thank you, Father.
Yes, son. Come. Come, my son.
Today is a very special day in our kingdom. It's the prince, the future king of Mboso kingdom, taking a bride today. But the ego himself, the Mbuze too of Mboso kingdom,
Yes. The ego himself.
is using this medium to organize a little get-together in form of thanksgiving unto the gods for saving him, his household, and the entire kingdom.
Yes.
From all these troubles we experienced in this community these few years ago. We therefore ask you to sit down, relax your mind, eat and drink, marry, as we witness this great event. Question!
Yeah.
Question!
Yeah.
And now I call on the maidens to bring forth the bride, the luckiest maiden of our time. To come forth for the king's blessing. Let the music play on.
Oh, yes.
Thank you, the people of Umbuzaland.
Igwe!
take this cup of wine and show us your husband. Just sit down. Take the cup. Now, I give you my blessing. May the gods of our land bless your union.
Jesus.
May you be blessed in multiple folds.
Jesus.
You shall be blessed with long life, all riches, prosperity, and plenty of children, male and female.
Jesus.
Rise and live happily ever after.
Atta has gone to the bush to get some herbs. He will soon be back.
My children, there will be no need for that. I am a fulfilled man. I can proudly return to my ancestors now. A proud father.
You're scaring us. Please just stop, please.
My father and my king, we need you most now.
My daughter, I have done my obit. The rest is left for you now. Prince,
Father,
take charge of the kingdom. And make sure that you rule without fear or favor. And be very, very transparent in everything you do.
Yes, Father. I promise to make you proud.
The time is now. My ancestors beckon. Do you hear the music?
I can't hear anything, please. Stay with me, my father, please.
May the gods favor you.
I'm already favored. Please stay with me, please.
Yes. My princess.
Yes, my father.
Is there something? Sir? Is there something you need to tell me?
I'm sorry, my father. I wanted to tell you when you recovered.
You can still tell me now. You can tell me now.
I am pregnant.
You're pregnant?
Please calm down, please.
For the stranger.
You already know?
Where is he now? Where is this stranger?
I'm back with the house. You can't believe.
You put my daughter in family with a stranger.
I'm sorry, my king. Please temper justice with mercy.
There is no need for that. I have already forgiven you. Because the gods do not make mistakes. There must be purpose for this. My princess. Prince Lama.
Father.
May the God favor you all. My ancestors blessed you and my unborn grandchild. Me.
My king. My king. My king. My king, please wake up. My king. My king. My king.
Your Highness, my fellow leeches, we have gotten a lot in our hands to deliberate upon, especially when it concerns that parcel of land very close to the Wangele River, which our neighboring community has decided to drag with us. We must claim that land. Otherwise, the gods of our land might cause calamities to fall upon us. We must claim the land.
Onye na-amụrụ nne ede je nzute abịa. Mbuze 3 of Mbuzoland. Why is calamity threatening this land at the dawn of your reign, High Priest?
May the gods forbid. The gods are angry. And who is that fellow who incurred the wrath of the gods? They thunder in vengeance at the mortal man, invoke their mercy. High priest, I perceive we need it. How dare I, when their place of refuge has been desecrated by mortal man, desecrated by removing one of their staffs. They are saddened, and the peril awaits your kingdom. If it is not recovered in 2 market days, I have spoken the minds of the gods. Mba! Mba! Mobilize every able-bodied young man in this kingdom. I want that staff or your head on a platter. Okay, Your Majesty. And now, who is trying to sabotage everything?
Just act fast, my highness. I'm sure the gods will both expose and decisively deal with them that are enemies of this kingdom. I'm sure. Your Majesty, this is the man, the saboteur of your reign. You, Maziobi.
Your Majesty, live forever and allow your servant to explain.
You want to explain how you wanted to invoke the wrath of the gods on Mbuso land?
I was going to return it. I planned to kill that agent of the white man after he had paid me the money.
You're a lunatic.
Maziobi, what are you saying? You speak like a man demented in the brain and cancerous in the mouth.
Your Majesty, if you will permit me. You see that stranger? He approached me to steal the staff of Obos, of which he will pay me some money. I was wondering what the white man would do with the staff of Obos. I was owing money, and I thought this would be an opportunity for me to offset all my debts.
There is no excuse for stealing. Much more stealing from the shrine of Obos.
I was going to return it. I thought Obos had come to my aid by providing me such a wonderful opportunity.
Your mouth be cursed. His wrath is sure.
Maziobi, you wanted to kill to pay off your debts. Guards! Your Majesty, take him up and lock him in the prison.
Yes, Your Majesty. Go.
Kan kalu no balatule bo avando. Unu afugo ndi ululu ose bo ajonni. Okalodi ndi ora ahu. Na kwanu vakavanaga. Mwa mbecha sukwali odimma. Mbano.
As you all can see, it is difficult for once for the lion to roar. However, I will allow the queen to pronounce her judgment on Maziobi. My queen.
He dies. He dies not only for stealing the staff of Obosusi, but also for his treachery against me and my mother.
The gods come down. You want your uncle dead? Not for his present, but his past?
For both. He should die a painful death. Showing him mercy amounts to weakness.
I do not dispute your logic. But I think your personal vendetta is at the core of your verdict. I hear bitterness and anger in your voice, and that makes judgment triumph over mercy.
With due respect, you misunderstand me, and I detest it!
I equally detest your short memory, your hypocrisy and blindness to the prorogation of mercy. How can you forget so soon how you were brought from prison and poverty into the palace? No one has been shown as much mercy as you have received in this palace.
He is a wicked man. How can you defend a thief?
The same way I defended a murderer and made her queen of Mbuzu land.
Enough, both of you. Enough. I am the king. And my orders are final. There must be division of labor. And everyone should know his or her boundary. Olo here is my wife. And the queen to the great king of Mbuzu Kingdom. And as such, as the power is bestowed on me as king Mbuze III of Mbuzu Kingdom, I hereby silence every other voice except the voice of my queen. My queen, you may pronounce your judgments on this matter.
My lord, I greet you. My elders, I greet you.
Great, my queen.
My lord, I thank you for the opportunity you've given me to avenge all the wrongs my uncle did to me. But I want to tell you all here today that it is wrong to pay evil for evil. So, I forgive him. And I ask you all to forgive him. My lord, I plead for your forgiveness. Instead of ostracizing him and the public assault, I plead that he pays a fine and makes sacrifices to the Obosusi deity. We cannot have a kingdom of rigid rules So I plead with you, my Lord. Let us amend. Forgive. And lead by example. Thank you, my Lord.
Echi di mene